First, you're going to connect the facility drain using the drain hose. Secure it with a clamp and tug on it to ensure it's tight and secure. Next, connect the hot and cold water hoses. We recommend you use the supplied hoses to ensure that you have adequate hot and cold water flowing to the CleanTech system. This is important for water flow and to ensure a comfortable temperature for users. Finally, you'll just plug in the system and you're done. Perform several hand washes to check for leaks, and then the system is ready to use.